My name is Ivan, and I will show you how your climate control system work in your piano. At first, you will go on the long side of your piano and unroll the cord that is attached on the bottom of your piano, and you will plug the extension into the outlet directly. Try to do that and not use an extension. Also, make sure that the switch, it is not like a switch for the outlet, that it stay on all the time. After that, we will go on the front of your piano, and on the left side here on the bottom, you have like 3 different lights. The first light on the left, it's the power, and this light will stay on all the time. That way, you know that your system is working and it's always plugged in. The second light, it's the water, and when it's blinking this yellow light, it means that you will need to add some water on your piano, and I will show you how this works. If you wait too long before putting the water, this red light, which is the pads, will start to blink, and which means that the pads are dry in the humidifier system, and the humidifier is not working anymore. Meaning, try to avoid to go to that red light, because the system will be not working, and the piano will be unbalanced regarding humidity. With the piano, you had like a pitcher that come with a pitcher and a treatment bottle with it, and the warranty that you can keep that on the side. You will need to add water until that red line. Use tap water, but tap water with time will accumulate with calcium, and the pads will get lots of calcium and the system. Meaning the best actually is to use distilled water, and you won't have this accumulation of calcium. Meaning you will add the water until that red line. After that, you will use 1 cupful of this treatment, just a cap, and after you pour into the pitcher. Do in that order, because if you put the treatment first and the water, you will have some foam and will be very hard to see where the red line is according to the water level. Okay, when you're done with this, you will need to go under the piano on the curved side, and there's a tube that come down. There's like 2 clips that you will fill with your hand, and you will take the water pitcher and insert into the tube, and let the water just drain into the bucket on the bottom. Go in that level, that way the water just flow quickly. And after, when you're done with all the water, just before taking out the tube, just put the whole pitcher down, and you will have this water that it's accumulate here just go down into the pitcher instead of the floor. And when that is done, take out from the pitcher and you put it back on the 2 clip, and you all set. Meaning you will need to do that every about 10 days, more or less. Could be once a week during the winter, and can be 2 to 3 weeks during the summer. And if you have any question, you have my name and number on the warranty, and you can give me a call and contact me. All right, enjoy your piano. Okay, bye-bye.